How to manage your vehicle in Google Map. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can manage the vehicle. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right top, you can see your profile icon. Tap on your profile icon. Here, you'll be able to see the option called Settings. Tap on Settings. Now here in your settings interface, slowly scroll down until you find the option called Your Vehicle. Simply tap on Your Vehicle. So there are different options available. So as you can see, you can choose this engine type. Now select the one into which you want to change into. So it's done. Now you can add even charging personalizations, and it will give you an idea of how many charge or how many time the vehicle will run. So if you go back, it's all set. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.